Nandito lang.
Ano, right?
Yes,
Life is really hard.
Here's my maglakad kahit saan pa yan videos. Hala, ang cute.
Hanap tayo na.
Grabe, magkano to? We are going to walk home. Apparently, sadly, unfortunately. We're going to look for an item na kapalit ng voucher na binalik naming item. Pag nag-return ka pala, hindi pwedeng ibabalik as pera. Or, I mean, like sa card. Ito yung parang gusto ko sana ng iba naman to. Yung kwan sana, yung dalawa, yung pwede, hindi na siya parehas yung banlaw tsaka ano. Tingin pa rin ng mga home finds, guys, para sa kitchen ng aming mother. Para sa kanyang bahay.
I think pasadya yung ganyan.
Kasi nga, depende yung size. Ganun na ganun. Pero ganito pala siya. So, ito 2K na agad.
Dish rack lang.
Okay ba to? Parang
Pagtuyuan.
pang ano lang to, pang baso.
Ito yung ano, plato.
Kasi ang kaldero. Ay, grabe. Mahal pala talaga ng finishing. Ito talaga yung old school. Cute. Ay, ayaw niya pong bukas. Titignan niya daw kung ano ng ano. Wait, akin na yan. Naka-shoes ka naman.
Okay na. Ibawas mo ang 1 kilo.
Meron kasi kami nga attendant na wedding. So, dapat pumayat siya. Nandito lang pala siya. Ayan o, magkahiwalay sila. Bakit? Dito yung sabon, dito yung banlaw. Para hindi na yung parehas na dumudumi.
Rice cooker nga. Tapos pwedeng magluto ng kung ano, rice o fast cook. Tapos steam. Tapos, porridge.
So masyal na pala
Stew.
ngayon. Hey guys, today is Monday again. And today is a very chaotic, kala mo naman talaga, very chaotic day. Kasi binala ko mag-return ng item sa H&M. Nasaan na yun? Uy! Basta yun, magre-return dapat ako ng item sa H&M. Dati, na-try ko na mag-return, tapos credit card din gamit ko. Tapos ang gagawin lang is pre-process sa app yata, ganyan, ni-return. Tapos babalik siya after like parang mga 1 month siguro. Binalik din yung amount sa card. Pero ngayon, pag magre-return ka daw, is either exchange lang for exchange or kaya voucher nila or ano ba tawag dun? Basta parang dun mo lang din pwedeng i-gastos sa may H&M mismo. So, tingin-tingin na ulit ako ng items na baka may magustuhan ako. Meron akong napili na dress pero gagastos pa ako ng 200 kasi 1,990 yung dress. So I'm just really thinking if I'm keeping the pants or I'm going to buy the dress. What do you guys think? Tapos, ganun din ang ginawa namin dito sa may Ace Hardware. Meron kaming biniling, alam niyo yung pinagkakabitan, pinaglalagyan na appliances para ma-move mo siya. The wheel that you use, ano ba tawag dun? Immovable! Lord yarn. Basta yun. Pero same din pala na exchange lang siya. So, binigyan na lang kami ng voucher na pwedeng dito nga i-gastos lang din sa may Ace Hardware. Pang 30 days lang yung voucher. Akala ko yung mga return ganyan. Like literally, you can return it as long as the item is good, hindi nabuksan, sealed, andun pa yung price tag and all. Anyway, akala ko ganun. Pero, I guess, we have to be knowledgeable with the policy before actually buying some stuff. Unsure stuff? Here's our...
Panis is stale.
Panis? Panis.
Panis.
Panis. Stale. Yes, nag-English siya course, guys. I ordered 2 chocolate. Ano yan? Para namang psychopath. Ito, ham and cheese kay Jerry. With drip coffee ang sa'yo, di ba? 180, parang mahal pa rin. By the way, first time, kumain kami dito, kumain kami dito, tapos wala silang masyadong pila. Usually, it will take you like 20 minutes. Well, today is a Monday, and the time is 6:25. Magkano kaya franchise nito? Baka alam nyo, guys. Open ba sila for franchising? Parang hindi ko sila masyado nakikita. Kaya nyo naman, may pera ako. Today, I am going to meet girlfriends from church. Aray! And we're going to have a Bible study, which we actually call small group. Parang ang OA pala nung layer. Dapat 1, tapos 2. Ganon, na parehas. Last, hindi yung...
Justin Bieber.
Ow! So hot. Gusto ko yung itry na... Look for today, minimal makeup. Kon lang.
Hindi ko nalaman yung pantol.
Lipstick by Vice Cosmetics. Tapos, minimal concealer sa mga... It's raining here sa town area, pero it's going by my husband. His coffee. Dito lang yan sa I'm just gonna read it again and then go through dun sa isi-share ko later for our Bible study, guys. Today, wala naisip ko lang mag-film. I just finished praying. I'm gonna do my Devo. Gusto ko lang sabihin na life is really hard. Sobrang hirap ng buhay. Kaya kung walang Panginoon sa buhay, everything just feels so hopeless and feels so parang you're just going with the flow and life is just a routine. Walang spark. Empty. Pero if you believe in God, I just want to remind you that despite sa kung anong pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, lahat tayo merong kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan. Take some time to really sit down and look at God's creation. Be reminded of how big our God is. Be reminded of how powerful He can be. Be reminded of how personal He is to you. He cares deeply with the little worries that you have to the biggest worry that we have. He cares for that. And nothing is too hard for Him. But of course, God has His own ways, His own timing. But at least we can be sure with His character. He is a God who is loving and caring. Minsan inisip ko nga, nagpo-pour out ako ng worries ko kay Lord. Tapos I'm sure there's a lot more people pouring out their worries as well. And God doesn't get overwhelmed. God listens to each and every one of us and He deeply cares sa lahat ng worries ng bawat isa. So ganun siya ka-big of God. And suddenly, all my struggles feels light because I know that there's someone carrying it for me. Starting my day with this beautiful word that is real, that is powerful. Here's my maglakad kahit saan pa yan, videos. Malapit-lapit na tayo guys kasi nakikita niyo may mga nagko-call na.
You experience a recent loss or moment that reminded you of how fragile life is. How did it affect you?
Hey guys, so today we're going to the park and I'm gonna read my book while my husband goes and have his hair cut because like mukha na siyang tignan ko na yung wag-wag na It's gonna be the rainy season in the next month, so naghahanap na ako ng knee-high boots. Kasi yung knee-high boots ko sa bahay, sobrang sikip niya sa akin. O isa sobra, pero masikip siya sa akin. Because it's one size lower. Lower! Ang kikip ng mga to. Pero this is one. Ano bang nito brand? Ang shoes nila for today's video ay naka-sale. And tumitingin din ako ng mga sandals. Ganda ng pagkagoy. Very Chanel to. OMG, the size is 34. Kung kasha lang to sa akin. Ala, ang cute. Wow. This looks, new. Ganda nito, black heel. Look at those soles. Parang hindi pa nagamit tong mga to. Yun lang. I have more here. I'm waiting for it to pop. Ang late lang size yun. Ay, maliit lang siya. Wala ko nakita guys. I'll head to the park later. There's a lot of people in the park today because it's the weekend. It's Saturdays. Pero hanap tayo ng mapagpapwestohan. So I sat here muna guys kasi parang makaka 10k steps pa ako bago ako makahanap ng magandang spot.
Yes! Sino ka dyan?
This is me accepting my defeat na sobrang daming tao sa park. So mag-SM na lang. 10k steps na nga ako sa baba. Pag 10k steps pa ako nitong escalator na to. I really just nung crisis guys, I mean nung kasagsagan ng crisis, wala masyadong tao dito sa Baguio. But now, he bought the Dubai Chewy Cookie by Berry Babe. Dito yan sa may Highland Brew. So, tikman natin kung totoong masarap siya. Grabe, magkano to?
550.
550.
550 for 4 pieces.
4.
150 per piece.
Wala man lang. Oh, matigas pala siya. Okay, let's try. Mmm! 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 I mean, ang natry ko pa lang naman yung sa session roll
Fake.
in Bloom. Tapos yung sa may trinay kami, dun sa may pinunta namin cafe. Crunchy siya. Pero feeling ko matamis. Ano? Medyo matamis na siya sa akin for a sweet tooth girly. How much more sa mga taong... Anyway. Yeah. It's good.
150 pesos, worth it ba? Per isa.
I'll go. Guys, nakalain niyo yun. 25 25 pesos to. Like, dude, pare. And because we ate a lot of calories, we are going to walk home. Mister, hindi na tayo bibili ng dinner? Wala. While walking, here you go. Let's shoot the moon. Ah, so pretty. Guys, so ito pala yung kaibigan ko.
God remains faithful even when life feels unstable. Hindi po ba nga ngayon sa panahon natin parang ang daming nangyayari. Pero I'm telling you this right now, our God that we serve is faithful.
Baguio's traffic is back! Hey guys, come with us and I'm bringing them dun sa cafe na pinuntahan namin the other day with my friends from church kung saan kami nag-small group. I'm gonna bring them there because the place is good and I wanna try the food. Kasi nung pumunta kami, ang in-order ko lang is drinks. Yes, I'm with my sister and husband. Love. So guys, apparently, sadly, unfortunately, lahat na lang, di na yan. Wala daw available rice. Yun pa naman yung gusto ko try, kaya bumalik ako today. Eh, galing lang kaming Friday dito. Kasi nag-drinks lang ako. But still, we're gonna check. Pero dapat pala tinanong ko kung mababawasan yung presyo, no? Kasi baka hindi na siya worth it kung hindi rice yung
Turkish tradition ko. First time ko itong i-try. So, ganito pala siya kaliit.
129
For 1 pesos. Pero uminom ka ng kape. Pin-pin. Masarap siya, mapait siya. Hindi siya yung typical na pino na coffee. Meron din siyang asin.
Ay, ganun.
So fresh. Fresh yung bean.
Almost done. Kala ko hindi siya nakakabusog kasi walang rice. Pero I still got full. Full? F-O-L. Pero nakakabusog pa din. Woo! Woo! This is me after eating good food. Paalis na kami, tapos meron na silang kanin. Ang cute naman ng restroom. So this is my sister suffering. That's it for this week's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!